Gratitude. Yes, you know it since forever. It is actually a natural state of the soul, rejoicing in experiencing itself through the body, through this physical experience. The possibility of tasting, smelling, kissing, making love through and with another, through and with itself, is simply delicious. Gratitude is the remembering, the recognition of divinity, divine order, plan, timing. Gratitude is, among other feelings, as if someone is kissing your heart on the inside. Looking at this mirror of another and seeing the perfection and divinity of all. Gratitude is the acknowledgement of the amazing opportunity to experience the entire spectrum and ever unfolding, becoming more love infinitely. Becoming more love infinitely. It warms my heart. Becoming more love infinitely. For this one, what I feel to share so that we can embody this feeling more. Is one of my favorite questions in the world, which is, what would love do? What would love do? Enjoy becoming more love. Hi, thank you for being here on this path to free love and love free. I wanted to let you know that if you want me to record a video on a specific topic, you can drop me a question in the comments down below or via email. You will find the email in the description of the videos. I see you.